Basa ko sa Facebook kanina, meron daw food market ngayon from 4 o'clock to 7 p.m. Pero nung pumunta kami doon sa spot, wala naman. So sabi ko, asan kaya yun? So naghanap kami. So ikot kami ng ikot dito sa Mata-Mata, doon sa isang spot. Wala. Sa isa pang spot, wala. Tapos sabi ko, baka meron pa dito. And tama nga, nandito kami ngayon sa spot na naka-display lahat yung mga food carts at ibang items. Ayan, nandyan sila. Pauwi na sana kami. Sige. Pauwi na sana kami. Nandito pala. Ayan o, daming tao. Yun. First time yata ito dito sa spot na to. Dami na nakapwesto sa lamesa. May soft serve. Yan. Ice cream. Lulus. Ano to? Baker. Guilty Baker. Cupcakes, biscuits, desserts, sweet treats. Yan. Ito naman, go for yum. Kaya pagkain nila. Fried chicken, chips, at iba pa. Yan iba, may damit, pandamig. Ano-ano. Sabon. Ito, mga cookies. Walang nagtitinda. Satay chicken, peanut sauce, spicy sambal. Mga sauces naman to. Ito mga kung ano-ano toys para sa mga bata. Daming bata. Ito mga sweets. Beautiful. Hello. Aso. Diba? Ito is free face painting. Ano naman to? Barbecue grill for sale. Okay. Oh, there it is. I'll just have a look. Look at that. Can also be used for bonfire. There's a protection there against the wind. Awesome. Oh, can I just take a video?
Yes.
Are these?
This one here.
Yeah.
So this one here.
Oh, what's this?
This one here.
A grill.
This one here.
Oh, it's collapsible.
Yes. So you can just hang it up. Easy for camping. Put in your shed.
Awesome. Oh, how much is one?
That one there is $350.
$350.
Yep. That one there is $390 with bigger. Bigger. See, smaller and bigger. So $350, $390.
Oh, awesome,
They're very good. Very popular. Sell lots of those ones.
This is my.
Lots one over here. Over here, I'll show you. Feel that on there?
Yeah.
Just go in. You feel that nice and hot.
Oh, wow.
Satay, yeah.
Satay. Oh, yeah. Okay. Wow, awesome, huh? Awesome. And how much is that? The one with
Well, it's on fire.
Yeah.
1850,
1850.
1850,
Okay.
2750.
Uh-huh.
These ones here are $1,490.
Yeah.
Yeah, so there's it. Yeah, there's, yeah.
Awesome, awesome.
That one there is, I think it's $1,500. That's
So, okay.
written down somewhere.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, you're welcome. And I'll
Bit
give you a
plush.
long warranty. These ones here, this body here, I guarantee you that for life.
For life?
Yeah, it'll last you a long time. Probably my life, your life, kids' life, something like that.
But not eternal life.
I've got them 30 years old, still going.
Oh, really?
So still going. I guarantee they will last you a very, very long time. Your kids and grandkids or children will enjoy these as well.
Wow.
Because my brother, I make one,
Yeah?
different style, a smaller bar,
Yeah?
and I made it 30 years ago. And now before it was his kids, now grandchildren.
And the material is
Stainless steel.
stainless
But
steel.
It's thick stainless
Yeah, that's
steel.
what I like there.
Yeah, nice and
And
thick.
this one is thick also as
Yeah,
well.
this is my old seal. Better for cooking.
Wow.
And
What?
also you can put rotisserie on it.
Yeah.
So gotta get it. Pass me that one down there, please, fella. That one, the cook, that one there. It's just got the feet. Yeah, talk where I say.
You've got small ones. What are these
Those
for?
are for starting the fire and to prepare the charcoal.
Ah, okay.
So yeah, so you set fire to those.
Yeah.
This one here just goes in like this. Like that.
Ah. Oh, it's
Battery.
battery powered.
Yeah. It'll turn 5 kilos of meat and it'll last you 50 hours each battery. There's four small battery in there, that's it.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah, really cool. Really good. Great for camping, great for around the
Yeah.
house, that just pops out like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
And that's $160, that's cheap.
Yeah.
3-year warranty on them. That's it.
Double A.
Yeah, that's it. Easy.
Okay.
Come. Back into the end.
Thank you for sharing.
Oh, you're
Thank
welcome.
you.
You're welcome.
I am on YouTube. This will go on public.
Oh, yeah,
Is that
good.
all right with you?
Yes, absolutely. More than happy.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
May rotary dito. So,
You've got a nice one at the ready.
ang
So
nagre-recruit.
are you giving them away or a donation?
Nagre-recruit din.
Yeah, very good.
Okay.
You doing well?
What's this for? Candyland.
We don't really run out.
Oh, awesome. Look
How
at
am I
that.
going to achieve?
Ayan, oh, delicious dosas. Di ba? Dosas. Yung in-order natin sa Catalina Bay. Daming tao dito. Oh. Marami pa dun. Hot dogs. Meron din tumutugtog. American hot dogs, hot donuts, American hot dogs. Parang sa Costco siguro yan. Dumplings. Dumplings. Beef tacos. Kahit malamig, okay lang. Mozzarella. Star food to go. Pork skewers, chicken satay. Ayan. Spuds. Masarap yan. Dumplings. Items. Karamihan food dito sa paligid. Korean barbecue. Mukhang Korean na yung nagtitinda. Tapos ito, Korean chicken. Oh, parehong Korean. Okay. Korean chicken. Oh. Mga clothes. Nepali dumpling. Nepali. Baka taga Nepal siguro. Taste. Yan, no? 1945 home coffee. Mga fizzy drinks. Okay. Ano in order mo, Mark?
Donut,
Donut with
pistachio and chocolate dip.
ito, chocolate, yon pistachio. Yan, dito kami ni Mami at ni John Mark. So,
Manya to.
nag-enjoy kami dito.
Hindi siya matamis.
Daming tao.
Chocolate.
May nakita kaming sama sa church kanina, kwentuhan. O yan, no? Enjoy. So, ito yung overview ng this place, the event. Ayan. Winter na winter pero enjoy yung mga tao. Oh, why not? Dito kami sa bandang area ng eyesight. So yung event pinesto nila dito sa paradahan ng mga caravan. Alis na kami. Punta kami dito. Yan, lalaki ng mga puno dito. Grabe. Bili kami ng konting food. Pero malis na kami. Yan. Kaya naman, enjoy.
Ito nyo para di na maglakad.
So, ang plano nila Liet at ni John Mark, paglakad papunta doon sa McDonald's. Ayan ang McDonald's. McDonald's. Tapos susundan ko na lang daw sila. Okay. Kunin ko na yung kotse. Doon ako banda nakapark. So mga kapatid, I hope nag-enjoy kayo ng kasama namin na pumasyal dito sa market at ma-experience ang slice of life dito sa Mata Mata. Okay, catch you later.